Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can stop Yubo asking for verification. If you're using Yubo for the first time and you're creating your account, Yubo will ask you to verify your age, and this is for safety reasons that they need to verify your age. So you cannot just stop asking Yubo for verification because it would just not be possible. So if you don't verify your age, you won't be able to use your Yubo app. So while creating an account and after you have inputted all your data, it will show you this kind of screen again before actually opening up your account to verify your age. Now you just have to click on verify my age and verify it because there is no way to stop you asking for a verification. I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.